Ladies and gentlemen, we have seen that in a Python program, we don't need to specify a data type. But you may ask yourself, how can I realize the data type of a given variable? For example, here, we know that this x hold integer because it's hold 5, which is integer. But how can we realize that it's really integer? Let me show you in this video how you can use type function to specify the data type of a certain variable. So let us see. Yes, actually we are going to see how to get the type of variable. So here you can get the data type of variable with the type function. Do you see? Yes, you can use this type function to get data type of our variable. For example, here, as you see, this is a simple example designed for you. You can just write x, which is equal to 5, y, which is equal to John. Do you see? And we print type x. To mean that here we output the data type of this x. Here should be integer, right? For also, second statement, we write print type y. To mean that we need to specify data type of this variable y, right? So, and here should be string. Do you see? Let us run this simple example in our code editor and see how we display an output. Yes, here we already written our code, this one, which should print here x as 5 and y as John, but we need now to print a data type for x and data type for y. As we have seen, let me delete this and write again. We need to print data type of this x, and we should use type function. So that's why you write type with variable which is the x here. Do you see? Just simple. And also for y we print type for variable y, right? So this is our program, and here should print out for first statement, because we are dealing with this x, we should print here integer, should be integer, and here should be string, because we are dealing with name, should be here string, right? Like this one. So let us learn to check whether we are correct or wrong. Do you see here? Here a class is the integer. To mean that data type is integer, right? For first statement, and for second statement is string, written in this acronym, right, as str. This is string as already specified here. Do you see? So thank you so much. This is how you can use this type function to specify data type of defined variable. If you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us this Python programming language. So thank you. See you in the next lesson.